Hello, I'm Prabinu. Question is 51 plus 52 plus dash 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 till 100 is equal to x. Then the value of x is solution. Formula for sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So therefore, we can write the given question as sum of 100 natural numbers minus sum of 50 natural numbers. So according to formula, 100 into 101 divided by 2 minus 50 into 51 divided by 2, which gives 10100 divided by 2 minus 2550 divided by 2, or 7550 divided by 2, which gives 3775. Therefore, answer is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Prabinu. The question is, the units digit in the product 3127 to the power 173 is solution. For solving this question, we'll have to check the power cycle of 7, which is 7 to the power 1 is 7, 7 to the power 2, unit digit is 9, 7 to the power 3, units digit is 3, 7 to the power 4, units digit is 1, 7 to the power 5, units digit is 7. So, here is the power cycle is of 4. Therefore, in 3127 to the power 173, we'll divide 173 by 4, which gives remainder 1. Therefore, we'll select 7 to the power 1 value. So the remainder is 7. So the answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Prabinu. Question is, two different natural numbers are such that their product is less than their sum. One of the numbers must be solution. The only possible equation satisfies the question is 1 into x is always less than 1 plus x. So therefore, one of the number must be 1. Therefore, answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Prabinu. The question is, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 5, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is solution. The given equation is x minus 1 by x is equal to 5. Now squaring both the sides, we'll get x minus 1 by x whole square is equals to 5 whole square. This gives x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x is equal to 25, or x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 25 plus 2. Therefore, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 27. So the answer is option number 4. Thank you.